lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down the comments down below how your day is going. Mine's doing all right. Today is Monday when I am filming, and this past weekend I was so sick. If you don't know, I've been saying before that I have been having troubles with my sugar, so my sugar was a little off and I wasn't feeling too good, so that's why there hasn't been any videos all weekend, but I'm definitely feeling a lot better now. So thank you for everybody who reached out to me. I really appreciate it a lot. All right, so if you read from my title, we are unboxing Medusa's makeup. Now, this is a very special month. This is their birthday box. So this is the August 2019. But they are turning 3 years old this month. So they have something really good. Like this box is supposed to be their highest value box. There's supposed to be a limited edition product in here. So without further ado, let's see what's in the August 2019 birthday box. All right. So I cut the tape and I am definitely so excited to see what is in here. All right, so this is what it looks like when you open her up. There is a sneak peek. All right, things are dropping, All right, so the first thing we have, it says Escape the Ordinary. This is see reverse side for $5 off coupon. So on back, you have a $5 coupon. Then you have some stickers right here. And this box is cruelty-free and vegan. And it's all of Medusa's makeup. They have their own makeup products that is in the monthly subscription box. And it is $16.95 a month. All right, so we have some stickers here. All right. Then we have, it says happy birthday box, and right here tells you what everything's going to be in the box, and the value for this month is $55. It's usually about $40, $45 that I recall it usually is. So there we go, a little sneak peek. And then back here says like what is new in the shop, which I will link the link down below. All right, so that's what she looks like. So the first thing that I see, now it doesn't give you prices for each item. It just says let me try that again. The value of the box is $55. So we have a brush. I haven't seen any brushes in the box, so this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. This is like glitter. First of all, look at this. That is gorgeous. All right, so that's what it looks like. So you can either use this to sweep away powder, you can use it for contour, bronzer, blush, highlight, whatever you want to do, you can use for this. It's very soft, but this is beautiful. Oh my God. I really like that a lot. All right, so there we go. We got that. And then we have this keychain that says Medusa's makeup, and it's like hard plastic, and it says Escape the Ordinary 304 right there. All right, the next thing we got is some blush. This is Sweet Cheeks Double Dare Blush. Packaging's really pretty. All right, let's see what color it is. Sweet Cheeks. It looks like that. All right, so it looks like this is like a neon pink. It does have some shimmers in it, so let's, if I can get it open. All right, let's see if you guys can see. So it definitely has shimmer. I don't know how much you can see. Let's swatch. Oh, it feels like buttery. It feels really good. That's pretty. That's a little dark for my liking for a blush, but this will be an amazing eyeshadow. Let's see how it, oh, and it blends really nicely. Look at that. All right. So I would definitely go in with a light hand with this blush for sure, but I'll definitely wear this as an eyeshadow. Like this is really, really pretty. All right, so we have a brush, we have a blush, we have, what you be? This is Raw Organic Facial Wipe. So we have right there, one wipe. All right. Then we have this liquid lipstick, and what shade? In the shade Audrey. This is like a goldish color. Let's see. Doesn't really have a scent to it, which is all right. So, okay, this is very sheer. Is it like, all right, let me shake this up a little bit because it's very, very sheer. Let me shake it up a little bit. Yeah, this is extremely sheer, which I don't mind at all because I can put this over. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Like, this would be such a pretty eyeshadow. I don't know how much you guys can see with these lights, but it's very, very sheer. And I'm glad because I'll definitely put that over like a liquid lipstick. All right, so I do like that. And last but not least, we have this glitter. It's like a bluish color right there. And it is in Mystique. So I'm not gonna open this because I don't really go for like glitters like this. So I will definitely put it in a future giveaway. So let's recap what we got in the August birthday box. So we have this really pretty, I mean, the color is absolutely gorgeous. So we have this blue glitter in Mystique. We have this liquid lipstick in Audrey. We have, oh my God, this brush is gorgeous. Like, this brush is actually like worth the box in my opinion. I think it's so, so pretty. Then we have this keychain. We have this wipe. And we have the blush. And then we have the stickers. So you do get a few more things in this box. So let me know in the comments down below. Do you think that it's worth it? Do you think the birthday box that everybody was waiting for, is it worth it? I think it's really pretty. And I mean, the more that I'm looking at it, the lights doesn't show it justice because it has a lot of sparkle in it. It's really, really pretty. This I won't use as a blush because I'm too fair for it. I think if you have a deeper complexion than me, it would look beautiful on you, but it will be perfect for an eyeshadow for me. So I will definitely use everything that came in this box. So let me know in the comments down below, what did you think of it? Do you think it's worth it? Do you don't? Let me know all the tea. And that's everything, guys. As always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Please like this video. Dislike it if you don't. I'm out of my game. I haven't made videos in so long. Like, I'm really out of my game. Let's start my ending over because I totally forgot how to go. Okay. Let me know in the comments what you think of this box. Rate the video, so like it if you like it, dislike it if you don't, but make sure you rate the video because it really does help me out. Make sure that you subscribe and turn our post notification bell on so you'll be notified of all my future videos and my giveaways. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so, 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 so much. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to see more of me. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.